Today we are using Siser Holographic along with my Rhinestone template, my In My Opinion template, and we're going to see if we can get the faux rhinestone effect. Let's get started. It's Romeo Wednesday. Hello everyone and welcome to Crafting with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. You heard what I said. We are going to be using some Siser Holographic. This is not the color I started with, but this is the color I ended with. And we are going to see if we can get the faux rhinestone effect using my In My Opinion rhinestone template. This is a free template. You can get it simply by joining my email list. Now, please know when you click the link to join my email list, this template does not come to you by email. It'll pop up on your screen and you'll be able to download it. At the end of this video, if you find it helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and turning on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week. Now, without further ado, let's get started. I am in Leonardo Design Studio, and the first thing I'll do is go to File and Open, and I'll navigate to where I have the document saved. It's in my Rhinestone Templates, and it is just called In My Opinion. And I am going to open the file, and here it is right here. I'm going to select Cut Only and Next. And I'm also going to click next again. And this is the file right here. I'm not going to make any changes to it at all. I'm going to select Send Design, Send, and I am going to send this to my cutter. Since I'm using heat transfer vinyl, I am going to mirror this and I am going to click send to cutter. Once I get to the cutter and I'm back on the camera, the first thing I'll do is a test cut to see the cut settings for this vinyl. Okay, everything I'll do from here will be back on the camera. Now, according to the Siser document, the Siser Holographic, which is this, should be cut at a speed of 10 and a force of 25 to 32. So I'm going to use a speed of 10 and I'm going to try out a force of 30 and see how that works. If that works, that's the setting I'll go with. So I'm going to place this on the mat with the shiny side down and do a test cut. I'm going to press this little t-shirt icon right here, and it's going to cut out a little t-shirt, and we will use that to test our cut settings. All right, let's pull it out and let's look at it and see. So here's the little t-shirt right here. Let's weed it and see how it did on that setting. I would definitely say no. I mean, it did cut, but I'm going to go up to 32 and try it again. Because it should have come out easier than that. So there it is right there. We're going to go to 32. I did a few more test cuts and I even had to change the color. The cut setting that eventually worked for me was a speed of 10 and a force of 40. All right, we are at the heat press and I am going to get a crease down the middle of my shirt. I have a crease down the middle of my shirt and now I'm going to press this 320 degrees for 20 seconds. make sure these little circles are in place and do the best I can. This is how the template looks without being pressed. We shall see how this goes. I am going to put parchment paper on top as I press this. 320 degrees. Oh wait, I see one out of place. (320 degrees, 20 seconds. Okay, so it has been 20 seconds. This is a cold peel, so I'm not going to peel it yet. We will let it completely cool down, but this is how it looks. It does look like rhinestones. So I'm excited about it. I'm excited to see the full peel reveal, but we'll do that once it cools down and I'll give you my opinions about it. Before we get to the peel reveal, let me give you my honest opinions about the holographic vinyl. I think it works well once you find the right cut settings. I tried multiple cut settings and I had a lot of missed opportunities. So this was, I think, the first time I tried it. The second time was a little bit better. I got a little closer. So this is when I was trying the gold holographic and I managed to get a lot of the holes cut out, but there was some that I didn't get cut out. So the setting that actually worked best for me with my Siser Romeo was a force of 40 and a speed of 10, but I ended up doing a double cut just to make sure all of those holes cut all the way through. So if you're using the same exact machine, that might be a cut setting you try. Also, if you're using maybe a Cricut or any other type of cutter, double check that document and see what the recommended setting is before you waste any vinyl. All right, now let's move on and look at the finished result and we will get ready to land this plane. Now, before I do the peel reveal on our holographic vinyl, there are a couple of things I want to remind you of. One, when you download the Rhinestone template, if you've already started your rhinestone journey or if you're at the very beginning of your rhinestone journey, this is what the template looks like when you cut it out in rhinestones. So this one is hot pink or neon pink rhinestones. I think this one is, I don't remember what color. This might be fuchsia. And this one is, I think it's frost ice. Okay, so that's how the template looks if you're using real rhinestones. So there, I want you to know that. I also want you to remember to download this document. This is on the Siser in a website, but I also have it linked below the video so you can grab it and print it. As soon as I found this document, I printed it immediately and I'm going to save it. All right, hopefully you have found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week. Now let's look at our shirt. So it still has the backing on it. It looks like rhinestones. It looks really, really good. I have let it cool down completely. I would say it's been about 7 minutes. Okay, so I didn't rush this process. It's looking really, really good. Okay, so this is what the finished shirt looks like. And so if you haven't started your rhinestone journey, this is an excellent way to start. And I absolutely love this. Let me know down in the comments how you feel about this, if you plan to try this, if you found this helpful. Okay, thank you so much for joining me today. And thanks for watching. Bye.